So, after we unioned our data, it was great. I was like, oh yeah, look at all my transactions. Then, all of a sudden, I found myself sifting through my transactions, sorting, filtering, copying, and pasting. Oh my! I said, Vinci, there's got to be a better way. And in comes sort and query. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So sort, what does that do? Essentially, this function sorts your data, just like it says. This function takes 3 different parameters. First, it takes the data range that you are interested in. 2, it takes the index of the column that you want to sort by. And 3, is it ascending, true or false? In our example, I said that of our transactions that we had, I wanted to take C through E, and I wanted to take the index of 1, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to be sorting on our transaction date. Now, the third parameter, is it ascending? Let's see. I said false. And bada bing, 26, 25, 21, boom, boom, boom. All right, it is descending. Now next, you'll notice that we have basically mirrored data from what we have over here. Now the reason that I have this mirrored data is because I had to transfigure my date so the next function could ingest it properly. Basically taking the date value of this number, of this cell, and then changing it to text to be formatted like this. All right, so next, query. Now imagine taking all the beautiful magic of SQL and bringing it into spreadsheets. Like, oh my gosh, come on, guys. All right, so with query, this also takes 3 different parameters. The first parameter, what data are you interested in? Let's take that range. Second, it takes the query that you want. And 3, hey, does this have headers or no? So let's go ahead and look at our function. It says query, I want to take F through H. Let's look at that. F through H, and then we write our query. I said that I wanted to select everything where F, remember that is our transaction date, is greater than or equal to C1. Where's C1? Right here, 8/21/23. And I want the transaction date to also be less than or equal to 8/27/23. And look what we have here. Bada bing! Now, you'll notice that this is a 1, and that's because I said, like, I do want my headers. If I were to remove that, boom, all of a sudden, hey, I don't have my headers anymore. And that's completely your prerogative. All right, and so we can just go ahead and see that this function is working. Bam, there's our data. All right, I hope that you learned something, and I hope you're having a stellar day, and I hope that you know that you are stellar. Anyway, friends, have a great one. Bye.